Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy JuCutz back with another video. And today I'm going to bring you a taper fade I did on myself. I think this is one of the best ones I did. I say so myself. So I'm going to show you how I did this. So first I want to start off by edging myself up. You know what I'm saying? I do a little rough line up first. Oh yeah, y'all don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the like, smash the like, comment, and share this, cause we going up from here. And not only that, we done reach 100 subs on this channel, so let's go ahead and get to 200. Road to 200. So y'all go ahead and support me. Appreciate for the ones that been supporting me. Y'all know who y'all is. So yeah, let's go ahead and get with the video. So I'm just lining myself up right now. The back. You know what I'm saying? Just taking my time, and yeah. Hey y'all, bear with me with the angles. I know y'all can't see in some clips, but it's just, you know what I'm saying, I'm trying to get it, trying to perfect it. And it may look blurry, but that's the mirror. It's not my lens, it's the mirror. But y'all gonna see later on, it's gonna clear up for y'all. So just had to put that out there if y'all wonder. But I'm gonna do this haircut again. It's gonna be an in-depth tutorial. I'm gonna give y'all an in-depth tutorial, step-by-step in-depth tutorial on how to taper fade yourself, how to do a taper fade on yourself. So I got the liver all the way open, and now I'm about to take this bulk out right here, this dark stuff. Oh, a tip. Wash your hair before you cut it. But the reason why you should wash your hair before you cut it, first, it makes it easier and it makes it more smooth for the lineup and the fade. So wash your hair before you cut. Anyway, I'm starting prepping my hair, brushing all the baby hairs and all that stuff. Go ahead and brush that out. So I start in the middle, and then I work my way to the corner. lined up. You see the back coming, you know what I'm saying, coming in. Check me out, you know what I'm saying. Look at that line right there. Bang, 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 bang. Okay. Okay. Boy, line looking fresh and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Little back line straight, you know what I'm saying. Look at the back, fade. Check the, ooh, that boy ugly, boy. Look at that boy. That boy ugly, boy. Right now, I'm just explaining. I'm about to do the other side, and then once I do the other side, I'm gonna come back to you. That's all I'm saying right there.
Get a drum as a toy for Christmas. Was one of the greatest innovators. The note and the right. It's a whole yard full of fans.
now this a full haircut, you know what I'm saying? Tell me how y'all like it. Peep the hairline. See it. Okay, the back right there. Check the back out. How I do. You know what I'm saying? The taper side. You know what I'm saying? Check the line out. Okay. So y'all, thank you for watching, you know what I'm saying? And come back for smoke.